Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add an event ticket to the Google Wallet on your phone. So first, just have to find your ticket. So it's usually in your inbox, email, third-party applications, or websites. So once you're in there, you will have the option to add to Google Wallet. If you have a Google Wallet on your phone, you will see this option right here. So what you're gonna do is just go ahead and tap on Add to Google Wallet, and then from here, just have to click on Add at the bottom right, and then after that, just go ahead and tap on View in Wallet. So now to view your ticket, you will just have to select the event ticket that you're planning to add to your Google Wallet. So you just have to tap on it to open the event ticket. And then you just have to find your ticket up top on the day of the event to show it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.